What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know I have not talked about the stock market in quite some time because, to tell you the truth, the stock market has really been sort of boring. There have been a lot of different plays that have moved in a positive direction for people. And I've always found a way to make money positively or negatively in the markets, obviously shorting things from time to time, putting in puts, whatever it is. Like I found a way to make money positively or negative. Now, with the money that I currently have in the market, I've just been letting it sit there until things do look like they recover. I haven't been moving anything. I've been investing in my long-term accounts rather than my short-term accounts, and I haven't really been paying too much attention to the stock market lately. Now, I do go in and out of looking at AMC, GME, all these other positions. As the days go on, you can see it in the live streams. I'll check it out when somebody mentions it and all of that. But mainly I've been focusing around cryptocurrency because that's been kind of the heavy money maker for at least me. And different situations have given me the opportunity to make quite a bit of money at, investing at such a low price. But anyways, we're here to talk about AMC. AMC ran quite a bit today, and I wanted to go through the numbers as we do see it here and break some things down just to be able to continue to talk about this position and how it does have, a major impact on, especially new investors and all of that. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos just like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, it does help out the channel. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, and we will talk about multiple things on there. I'm mainly focused on cryptocurrency, just like I do on the channel here, but I don't know how well this video is going to do, but I wanted to talk about it because people reached out to me and was like, hey, you should make an AMC video today because AMC is definitely making a move. I feel as though it would be great to talk about to, keep the hype train rolling with AMC. And obviously see it grow to higher and higher figures. It's been a while, not only since we've seen a positive day, but not a while, since we've seen a massively positive day. And since we've seen a positive Friday, right? Fridays usually are, fall back because they want to keep us under those levels to where a lot of people hit their strike prices for options and all that stuff. But let's go ahead and dive into this. So first, we're going to check out the Ortex data. I still have Ortex. I don't know how to cancel it because I don't use it that much. And I don't know if it's a one-time payment because I haven't gotten charged again, and I've had it for over a year. So I don't know what's going on with this and how to physically cancel it. I may be being charged somewhere, but I have checked everywhere and I haven't seen it. So I don't know, but I still have Ortex. Ortex, we're looking at the short interest. I wanted to see what the short interest is actually at. It's at 18.71%, an increase in 1.73%. You're seeing short interest, the amount of shorted shares, 96.53 million. They changed this up since the last time I looked at it, so it looks a little weird to me. A short score is about 74. If you look at the cost to borrow, 9.26. Utilization still at 100. The last time I looked at it, it's been there. Shares on loan 127. Last 7 days it's been 144, which the change is minus 11% or about 12%. So obviously this thing is still heavily shorted and goes off and on from the short interest being, I guess, around 19% to decreasing to 18%. So it's still pretty much in the same spot from the last time I looked at it. And I don't know how long they can keep it here because I feel like this thing is just always ready to blow in any scenario, in any case. But if we go into the market, the actual market, today it's up to $22.06. It's up 18%, 18.22% or so, right? We have about 40 minutes to the end of the market. We have seen it pull back a little bit. If we break this down by 30 minutes, we're going to see that from $22.77. This has decreased down to where it is at $22, almost lower than $22 at the moment. But we've seen this thing absolutely run today, and it looks phenomenal. I'm happy to say that we're seeing something positive because we were at 19 recently, and I was like, should I make a video on it? I was like, nah, I shouldn't make a video on it. I should just let it do its thing, and hopefully it continues. Now, in the after hours market, it pulled back pretty heavily, and we can go through that here. In the after hours market, it pulled back very heavily. It kind of just leveled off. So after hitting about $19.75, resisting from about 20, it kind of leveled out, really. You've seen some fluctuation, but it leveled out. But in the after hours market, pulled back heavy. I mean, all the way back down to about $16 and then leveled out there. Now, during the pre-market, it started to come back a little bit, and we started to see it push up in the morning. When the market did open, I was watching it. And it did end up, continuing to push, and you see this large green candle with $13 million or 13 million shares traded within that time period. We did see a little bit of a level out. It increased again, seeing this large green candle all the way up to 22.77, and now you're seeing it pull back a little bit under 22 at 21.90 at the moment. Now we can definitely see this pullback with any type of large increase. You always see a larger decrease, or not larger decrease, but at least a large decrease to where it does drop down, maybe to the level of the VWAP or the 15 moving average or 200 EMA. We don't really know exactly where it's going to drop to. There's a couple of forms of support levels that it could drop to. Mainly, I like to focus around the indicators, but let's hope that that doesn't happen. We want to see it continue in the after hours market, and that would be amazing if it opened up above 30, because if we go back here and look at by day, let's look at it actually by month. If we look at it by month, right now it looks like we're in this form of consolidation, but if we can break, I guess, above this 25 mark, or break above this mark here where it's at 27.65, that will be a definitely a bullish indicator to push that way above. And obviously we want to see it break away from these, kind of creating lower highs and lower lows, or simply just a straight downward trend. We want to see it break that 15 moving average right here, right? Obviously already broke the 200 EMA there. It's a straight line. Obviously looking at months, it's more straight than it is, when you look at over time and you're looking at multiple days, instead of multiple months. So we want to see it break above here. We want to see it break above this point right here, about $34, $35 or so. We want it to break above that. That's another, bullish area. When it does break that, it continues to run, and we want to see that get back up to some of these levels that it did hover at for a while, around $40 to $50, before obviously breaking the damn ceiling off of everything. So I'm hyped for today. I'm happy that things did move. I still hold my AMC. You can see that I'm holding 908 shares here. I do have 125 over in Fidelity in my long-term accounts, which I did move to when it was down to about $16 or $17. And now obviously that is positive, and I was looking for that to make a move. That's probably going to be the first, maybe the first or last coins that are not coins, first or last shares that I move. And I'm not sure which one that will be. It may be the last shares that I move, because I want to be able to capture as much profit as possible over there without paying any taxes on it in the long run. So that'll be my plan over there. But over here, I may end up holding or, selling certain portions at certain levels, but we're not there yet. We are definitely not there yet. I'm still below my cost basis of $26.38. So anyways, hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this. Do you want me to do more stock related content? It's just so much to deal with, all the individual investments in the crypto market, and then go over to the stock market and do a bunch of individual investments over there. I would love to, but definitely know that it's going to be quite a bit, going into that. So we'll see. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I will catch you guys in the next video.